sitting and doing the form until the point where you are, it's a really strong method to build up the imagination. Because everything what we do in life depends on that. You must be able to see it, then you are able to do it. Yeah? Wednesday we will go up to the Jingding. So the whole day is given for that. The training is going up. And why we go up? Shou Dantian. Shou Dantian. Yeah? Be centered by yourself. Of course, enjoy all the nature. Enjoy everything. But still be inside your center. Mm. So this doesn't mean don't look to here, don't look to, of course look, but understand that there's nothing what you see which is not inside you. Kai Tai Chi. Lan Che Wei. Lift, stand. Tui Chuang Bi Yue. Sink. Set. Squeeze. 走 Open up. 野地长花，丹凤朝阳，走。保太极 ，lift, stand. 挥头望月 ，sink, reach, and set. 走，海底捞月 ，lift, 懒家椅，走。 丹凤朝阳 You bring your back foot in and transform. 1 step, press. 走 1 2 3 Pong, Phoenix rising. Sink, press. Pressure. 驴，百合展翅，仙鹤展翅。 Sink first and then push the mountains aside. 1, 2. So. Sink. Come back, press. Your left hand is below your chi high. Then you turn out your toes. Step. When you step here, your right elbow sinks down. 1. Look. After this, your toes come in. The right toes come out. When you here, take your time. Like 2 leaves from the tree falling. Foot comes in. Now step out. 8 directions, not 4, this form. 36 is 4 directions. Yeah, 64, 8 directions. Now, when you go to the next tiger patrolling the mountain, you don't put this leg in. You start here. 1, 2, but now turn more. Come up, turn more. Then come. Again, toes in, toes out. Again. In and out. Crossing the hands and then same way back. Shiver hui toe. Same way back here. This way. Okay? So this part, take care. So, nochmal. Du bist jetzt hier. Mach mal von hier noch einmal. Du kommst hier an, pack. Ja. Dann ist es so ein leichter Schritt raus, ja, bevor du den machst. Ne? Oh, genau. Okay. Leicht, ja. Ah, ja, hoch, ja, ja. Aufrichten. Ah, genau. Oh, genau. Sehr gute Endstellung. Vorsicht, dass du nicht zu sehr schlimm machst. Oh, lass ihn so. Ja. Sonst haust du die Finger weg. Okay. Du hast hier. Als würdest du so einen Arm machen.
Genau.
Also so einen Armlocken hier.
Genau, Armlocken.
Genau. Aha. Okay. Here. It's not only holding here, doing something. It's up. So make him turn. He cannot punch.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. It's like this a little bit. Yeah. That's why it goes until here. This is here. This one. Yeah. This is one thing. It's here. Here. On the other side, yeah? If you have something, yes, you hold. If not, hold.
Hooking something out?
Yeah. If you can stand like this, then it's here. Yeah? Here. This is this one. Here. Oh yeah. When you do this, after this, like when you come here, you are here, right?
Yes.
Now here, don't turn sideways.
How?
It's like, of course you pull this up here,
Yes.
hip goes, but if you are here, you look this way. And down. Yeah? It's like you hold, boom, boom. Your whole direction is still here, not turning. Yeah? Here to here, yeah? And then here, look, pop, yeah? Boom, and then this. Here, yeah? And this one, pop, boom. With the back foot now. First you turn in, then with the first snake or wave here, you bring your weight first forward. Look, back foot is still down. Now the back foot comes up. Second, here. In the third one, it comes in the front. Then you have a way where you can measure it, you know. Then you come up. Then you press. You see my waist motion here? From here. Then set. Stretch the back calf here. So here you don't need to turn out. You know? Here. Like when you set, like stretch. Then you turn out a little bit and bring in here a little bit for the next movement. Yeah? One more time from the pressing position. 1, 2, stay here. 2, number 2. The foot is in the back. Nochmal da. Blätter. And so. 3. Das war zu riesig. Das war zu riesig, ne? And come up. Press.
When you press, elbows stay outside.
Yeah, but the energy. Now sink more. So you can just bring the foot forward, bring the toes up, then roll over, roll over. Yes. Now bring the back heel in, or the toes out. How you want? And bring the right toes in. Turn to knee. And